Hello, everyone. Welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam. Short and sweet, to the point, bottom line up front. We're doing a giveaway. Giveaway day. Giveaway today. So leave a comment on this video if you want to win today's prize, which is the RadioMaster TX12 radio. This guy it's a good radio. It's a good radio. I like the form factor. But I don't care for, I guess the form factor, but it doesn't do, like, I just don't use it much. I have a TX12, which is my giant radio, and then I have the RadioMaster Pocket, which I really like, which is a nice small radio for flying drones and stuff. So this one just doesn't really have a place, for me, but it's a pretty great radio though. It's got lots of switches, buttons. It's got a USB-C, so you can hook it up to a simulator really easily. It's got the back little port. I can't even take it off right now, the cover, but it's got the JR module port, so you can put different types of modules in the back. So that is what we're giving away for this day of our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway and on into the new year. And you might be like, hey, Adam, what are you doing 12 Days of Christmas? It's January already, all right? Christmas is dead. Christmas doesn't die. You just think that it goes away, but it can be here all year around. And because Christmas is a celebration of the birth of Jesus, okay, in which he's like the most generous guy ever, right? And so that's why we give gifts to share in that generosity, because he gave himself for us. And so this is what I want to give you guys. To kind of, spread the love that way. So hope you like it. Hope you appreciate it. Leave a comment in the comment down below if you'd like to win this, and see the updated rules and read the description below this video for any updates to the rules. And I think that's it. Have a fantastic day. Happy New Year. And I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.